If your Instagram account is permanently disabled, the video for today is going to be very interesting because these are the only 3 genuine steps that you need to take to get it back in 2026. If you're watching my video for today, I'm sure your Instagram account was disabled permanently. I'm sorry about that, but let's try and see how we could appeal and get your account back for you. So the first step is to submit official appeal forms, either through the application or the website. All right, so you just log into your account on the Instagram application or on the website. As soon as you log in, if your account is permanently disabled, you're going to see a message pop up, and you may just get an option to click on a link to submit an appeal form. If you do not get that appeal link to fill up the form, the next thing for you to do is contact Instagram directly via support. So you could just do a search for Instagram Help Center and you get to Help Center. Click on the first link and then you just do a search for Instagram account suspended. Click on the first suggestion about disable Instagram account, and then to the bottom right you're going to see a feedback box. Okay, was this helpful? Just click on no. Select the second option, this solution doesn't work. Select. You get a box to communicate with support at Instagram. So you send an appeal through this box out here. Okay, just tell them that your account was disabled for no reason, you haven't done anything wrong. So if you are innocent, you haven't done anything wrong, this is your chance. Okay, you send them an appeal through a message out here, and remember to limit the characters to 500, and remember to put in your Instagram handle and your email address that is linked to your Instagram account. Once you do this, you should get a communication from them. If they are able to unban your account after reviewing your details and everything, then well and good, you could start using Instagram again. But remember, the appeal, you have to do it within 30 days of getting that message that your account is permanently disabled. If you appeal after 30 days, it's not going to work for you. Now, the second step is verifying your identity with Instagram. So after you send an appeal to Instagram, what is going to happen is that they may just communicate to you via email, requesting you to upload your photo, your document and stuff like that. Okay, just do it. Just follow instructions. If you had used the Instagram page or account that was banned for business purposes, you may be asked for providing valid documents to prove ownership to the business and stuff like that. Okay, provide IDs and everything. Okay, whatever you are asked, just provide it to them. Now if you reach the second step, it means it is a positive approach towards your account getting unbanned. Now after this step, the third step is to patiently wait for a response from Instagram. What I would suggest is during the recovery phase for your Instagram account, I would suggest you avoid using VPNs for accessing your Instagram account, or if you do not hear back within like say 1 or 2 days, don't again send an appeal. Wait for at least 1 or 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, then you send another appeal if you do not hear back from them. Don't keep on sending multiple appeals, okay, to support at Instagram. The review may just get delayed or you may not get a response at all. What are the chances that your permanently disabled Instagram account is going to get reinstated again? If you haven't done anything wrong, or if you had a very minor violation or something, Instagram may just go ahead, review your account and reinstate your account. Okay, after you have provided all your details, verified your identity and everything. All right, you apologize to them or you told them in your appeal that you're not going to do anything wrong. They may just go ahead and unban your account and reinstate it for you. You could start using Instagram again. But for severe violations, if you are a person who is into spamming or who has been trying to cheat others through Instagram, you get all these hackers and all these things online. If you're using Instagram as a tool to cheat others or spam others, you're not going to get access to your account again. So please don't bother. Do let me know in the comment section below if your account was unbanned after following these instructions. If it wasn't, do let me know via email so that we could try and see for other appeal options to unban your account. Take care, my friend.